Good morning, everyone. Most of you here already know who I am, but for the sake of those of you who don't, let me introduce myself. My name is Gabriel Mario Angeles, but I prefer to be called my queen, Megan Fox Kalukalay, Guapa, or Queen Chicks ng CS. But if you feel uncomfortable using those, I guess Gail will do for me. As for what's unique about me, I don't really find anything unique about me. Well, aside from the good looks, of course. But I guess you could say that my undying devotion and determination to get what I want most is what makes me unique. I would do anything and everything to get what I want. And what I want more than anything in life is to become a Victoria's Secret model. I may need to start throwing up my dinner more, and I may need to super glue 6-inch heels under my feet, but damn it, come hell or high water, I will work that runway wearing sexy panties with Miley Cyrus singing Wrecking Ball behind me, and no one can stop me. That is what's unique about me. Once again, my name is Gabriel Mario Angeles, 18 years old, Davao City, Philippines, and your next Miranda Kerr.